ZoomInfo Slack app gets your team the best and freshest sales intelligence where and when they need it. Imagine a prospect comes to your website and fills out a form you've simplified with ZoomInfo Form Complete. That submission can instantly trigger a workflow that alerts the right Slack channel within seconds of the form being filled out. Your reps will immediately have the necessary information on the company, the person who submitted the form, and the other decision makers at that organization. Or suppose one of your target accounts visits your pricing page. ZoomInfo workflows can Slack the right rep the contact information of everyone in the buying committee at that company as the visit is happening. Finally, consider a company doing a lot of internet research on solutions like yours. Using that spike in intent as a trigger, workflows can alert your SDR Slack channel with information on the decision makers at that company so they can reach out right away. In sales, speed matters. Responding to an interested prospect within 1 minute increases conversion by 391%. Responding to them within 5 minutes is 21 times more effective than waiting just 30 minutes. So why would you rely on slow, outdated information from email and your CRM? You need your team to get detailed contact, company, and buyer intent information immediately where they already are. And where they already are is in Slack. Be the first mover. Install the ZoomInfo Slack app today.